back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out the viral foundation in water hack. I have my foundation here and I also have my water. So let's mix these two together and see what it actually is. So I've actually come so close because I want you to be seeing everything that is happening. I have my glass here and I have my water. I'm just going to pour this in first. I think this should be enough water. Then I'm going to add foundation. This is a fake L'Oreal True Match foundation that I got and I tested it out in a full face of fake makeup video. If you have not watched that video, I'll put it right here. I think this will be the best foundation for this hack. That thing is floating in water. Like, is it supposed to do that? I think I'm adding too much already. So this is what it looks like in the water. I'm going to take the back of the brush and just... It's not dissolving with the water. Anyways, I've mixed it. So let's apply this. On this side of my face, I'm going to apply the foundation mixed with water. On this side, I'm going to apply regular foundation. That just dissolved into my skin. Is that what it's supposed to do? I don't think this foundation has a scent before. Now it does. I was mixing it with water and it makes a scent. That made it. So guys, this is what my skin looks like. This is the part that I've mixed with water. For this side, I'm going to apply my regular foundation without. Back of the sponge.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
Okay, so this is my face now that I've applied foundation over my face. This side I mixed the foundation with water and this side I applied the foundation. The three things that I've noticed is that mixing it with water made the fragrance of the foundation to be more, how do I put it, pungent, harsh. Like it just made me notice that the foundation had fragrance because I didn't know before. Two, it made the consistency watery and light and not just thick. So it kind of like made it easier to blend, let's put it like that. Three, I don't know, it became less full coverage and kind of gives my skin that glass skin effect. But for the final test, we are going to test if it actually transfers through. So I have my paper here. I'm going to start with the side that I mixed the foundation with water. So that was quite. There's like a little stain. Then for the other side, I'm going to use it. Side. For the other side as well, there was a little stain. I'm going to put a comparison side by side comparison of the stain that I got from both the side mixed with water and the side mixed with like the normal side. What I have to say is that you just put foundation in a glass of water for nothing. There is no fucking difference. Like the transfer, it's not that big of a deal. What I would say is that the side mixed with water transfer was not as much as the clean side, but all in all, to me, it's not really that big of a deal that I will now go through the stress every morning pouring my foundation in a glass, putting water and mixing it like a sorcerer. This hack is a fail. This is not something I'm going to be doing every time because I don't see the big deal. Anyways, wanted to try it and we did. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have tried this hack, let me know. Like, is there something else that I was supposed to do that I didn't? No. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please. I love you all so much and I'll see you in my next video.